In this video, I want to show you how you can get a coupon code for Hostinger. They currently have a huge Black Friday deal. They give you up to 85% off. So let's see how you can get this. First, you can click on the partner link down in the video description, and then I will show you how you can get my coupon code to get another 10% off. Let's click on claim the deal. And then you can see the different pricing plans, premium, business, and cloud startup. I think most of you will choose premium or business. Here you can create up to 3 websites, or you can create up to 50 websites. I think the premium plan is enough, so I can choose the plan here. Now I directly land in the cart, and here I can choose the duration of my subscription. 48 months is 4 years, which is pretty long. So this is up to you depending on your risk, how long you want to take the Hostinger website here. I am good with the 24 months now, and then I can click on have a coupon code. And here you can simply type in Julian Weber with 1B and click apply. And this will get you another 10% off. And now you saved the most for the Black Friday deal. And then you can just hit continue and sign up with Google, GitHub, or your email and password.